Hey everybody, this is take 3 on this vlog. I 2 times in a row have recorded this and then had an alarm go off on my phone that automatically stopped the recording in the middle of it. So I'm definitely still rookie here. But anyway, I have no more alarms set. The funny thing is that my whole spiel for today was about being home alone, because that never happens. And I had no other humans in the house. And they were like, 2 were like an hour and a half away. 1 was not far, but not coming back till tomorrow. Well, since I started these many takes, the 2 who I thought were still an hour and a half away are now home. So I'm no longer home alone. The reason it's a big deal is because I love to be home alone, and I'm never home alone. And I've said it before, I'll say it again, I love my family. And I'm such the introvert, I really need to be alone. And we've got some home buddies in the family, which it's great. They love our home too. But when you have home bodies, that's really not likely that anybody is home alone ever. So anyway, I was rejoicing in my aloneness there, and since then that's no longer true. However, I think we're still gonna just go ahead and record this and see what sounds come up, right? Part of the practice was I talked about, when I sit down to meditate, I do intentionally try to prepare the environment so that it's most likely that things will be more quiet, that it's more predictable, that maybe more private, not be distracted or have interruptions. And those are all great things to do with intention before we sit. And then we have to hold it lightly. And then we have to just let it go, because things happen. And that's what was so funny. I mean, I was the only one laughing because I led with my last take of this with that, and then humans walked in like in loud boots. It's actually quite funny. So anyway, here we are again. And with no further ado, I think I'm going to take off the dog's collar, because that I can control. And then let's meditate, okay? All right, so preparing the body to go inside, to find some sense of slowing, sense of stilling. Taking a few deep breaths, making any adjustments to be awake and alert, yet relaxed. And bringing the attention right away to wherever you are noticing breath most predominantly. For some, that is the tip of the nose, the nostrils; for others, upper lip, maybe the throat, the chest, the belly. Wherever you are most aware of the sensation of breathing, lightly resting your attention there. We'll begin to ride the wave of the breath as a way to go inside. Just beginning to explore the whatever pockets of silence you may be experiencing on your end. Whatever else may come across your field of awareness, whether it be sounds, thought, physical sensation, just paying attention to whatever it is, acknowledging that it happened, and then coming back to rest lightly on the breath and the sound of silence. Noticing that silence is never 100% pure, whether there may be extraneous sounds on my end or on your end, even the sound of my own voice coming and going. There's also many, many layers of sounds, minutiae, that are just beneath the surface of silence. When things get quiet enough, sometimes it's surprising how much we can hear even inside our own bodies. And so experiencing sound starting from the inside. allowing the breath to ride the waves of silence and sound. Allowing the body and the mind to embody silence. Taking this last minute or two to really just relax into silence. Not sure if you can hear it on your end, but welcoming in now this sound of my cat Pippi purring as a way to transition back out of this meditation. And so taking a few deep breaths, long extended exhales. And coming back when you're ready. Well, thank you. This was actually quite silent and quite peaceful. I think the two people who came back, they were dirt bike racing or riding or something, and so I think they're back actually taking naps, so it's very quiet. Anyway, I think it's kind of fun to explore silence sometimes and know that it's never fully silent, but that it's can be a really peaceful place anyway. Kind of being open to the sounds of the world and noticing how they're always changing. All right, everybody, have a great day, and here's Pippi. Talk to you later.